We go to Somaliland now, because Somaliland would like you to know it's open for business and doesn't suffer at all from famine or pirates, while Somalia continues to be one of the best illustrations in the world of a failed state, tragically unable to deal with famine, no government, continuing warfare. The northern breakaway region known as Somaliland is carefully developing its economy. It isn't recognised as a sovereign state by anyone, but today a Dutch company is setting up a software business in Somaliland. The man behind ExtendedBITS, as the company is called, is an IT engineer based in Utrecht. He's Hasan Giire.
We set up a private limited company in the Netherlands, and we set up a limited company in Somaliland. Our company in Somaliland is an IT factory. What we do there is we build software and we test software. What we are doing is in our Dutch office, we will do the preparation, and in Somaliland, our employees will execute the test cases we prepare for them.
And what is the benefit of doing it in Somaliland? Is this classic outsourcing? You're finding the cheapest place to do a job?
No, the idea behind this business is Somaliland. It is about more than 70% of the people don't have work. And when people or when young guy graduated, the only thing about leaving the country, what we want to prevent is those kids leaving their own country.
Isn't it difficult to convince international capital to go and invest in a country that, after all, isn't recognized by most of the international community?
I was expecting this question. The way we set up our business is our customers or our investors are doing business with Dutch company.
So it's you, the Dutch company, that takes the risk of dealing with Somaliland. You insulate your customers from that risk.
Definitely. In Somaliland, all is in the private hand. In the city we are setting this business, the city of Borama, there are 4 different companies providing electricity. The internet or the telecommunication are provided by 5 or 6 companies. Compared to a lot of other African countries, the rate of internet connection or the rate of calling internationally is cheaper than all the Eastern African countries.
And if you compare, what would you want? Presumably, Somaliland would want more investment from big international companies. Are there any big names that would consider investing in Somaliland?
To give you an example, Coca-Cola company, the American company, is investing $10 million in a bottling plant. Nowadays, you see Chinese companies investing in Somaliland. You see a Malaysian company investing in Somaliland. In the part of Somaliland where I'm coming from, that is the outer region, we set up more than 26 primary schools, we set up a boarding school, we set up a secondary school. All that was financed by we, the people in the diaspora. To give you an example, in Somaliland there are 12 universities.
Now what you're describing is something that goes completely against what most people would say. Don't you find it frustrating when people say to you, oh, Somaliland, that's where there's no government and it's full of pirates?
Somaliland, they don't understand. And to make them understandable, I tell them it is the quiet part of Somalia.